tired of eating grilled children instead of chicken, getting presents from Satan instead of Santa, or calling your wife Wi-Fi, or, what's worse, by the wrong name? How many times have you found yourself in an awkward situation because of AutoCorrect on your phone? In this video, we'll explain how AutoCorrect works on your phone and how it figures out what you actually meant. AutoCorrect is a feature available in various software programs such as word processors, messaging apps, and email clients. It automatically fixes frequent spelling errors and typos while you type, helping to ensure accuracy and efficiency. How does AutoCorrect work? The process of autocorrection begins with the system analyzing the text you type and comparing it against a built-in dictionary or a database of common words. If the word isn't found in the vocabulary, it is flagged as a potential typo. Next, the system generates a list of candidate words by considering how many character edits are needed to transform the misspelled word into a valid one. This is done through the following 4 types of edits: adding a single character, removing a single character, swapping 2 adjacent characters, replacing a single character with another. Each edit produces multiple potential candidates, creating a long list of possible corrections. The system then filters these candidates by checking which words are valid according to its vocabulary. This ensures that only real words remain for further evaluation. Finally, AutoCorrect evaluates the context in which the word appears. Modern systems often use machine learning models, such as neural networks, to understand the structure of the sentence and the likelihood of a word appearing in that context. The word with the highest probability is selected as the correction. Can AutoCorrect work when I'm offline? Yes, you can use AutoCorrect offline. It stores the dictionary and rules on your device, so it can keep working even without an internet connection. How does my phone know what I meant to type? Your phone's AutoCorrect gets smarter the more you use it. It learns from you. If you type a word correctly a couple of times, it remembers, unless it's a banned word, so just accept ducking. It knows your contacts. AutoCorrect pulls names and other saved words from your phone, so it doesn't keep changing them. It adapts in real time. The more you type, the better it gets at predicting what you actually mean. Can I customize AutoCorrect to improve my experience? Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, you can customize AutoCorrect on your phone to fit your needs. Here are some of the most common ways to customize it. You can add custom words, such as names, slang, or terms you use often, to your personal dictionary. You can create custom text shortcuts. For example, you could set IDC to automatically expand to I don't care to save time typing. If you find AutoCorrect too frustrating, you can turn it off. Alternatively, you can turn it back on when you need it again. You can enable or disable predictive text, word suggestions, while you type. If AutoCorrect has learned too many incorrect words, you can reset the keyboard dictionary to its default state. This will erase all the custom words you've added. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will help you make the most of technology.